Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for cultural exchange programs, business on Durable, easy and quick. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first let's sign in. Now create new business. Enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now select your industry. Cultural exchange programs. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. First, let's go to the first section on the website, the header. You can edit the header from here. Now if you want to change the business, the site name, here you can turn this on and upload a file. Here if you want to change the label or add a new label. Also here if you want to add a link, here you can edit your social links. You can add the channel. Just select the type of the social link and here add the link. So if you want to edit the style of this section, the positioning, the social icon, the size, the shape, the spacing, the background. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to add section on your website, just click here. Now select any section you want and that's it. The next section on the website is the banner section. You can change this. Just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you want to change it, just regenerate it and it will be changed. The label here, if you want to change the label or add a new label, you can add the link. Here if you want to turn this on and open link in a new page. The style of the section, you can edit the spacing or the horizontal alignment or the vertical alignment, the background or the image. If you want to generate another image, here if you want to edit the image position, the background overlay, and if you want to combine with header, just turn this on and let's save this. Next section is the image section of the website. Click edit. Now if you want to generate another image, just click here. If you want to edit the image position, also if you want to edit the style of the section, you can turn this on like this or like this. Here if you want to edit the image or the spacing or the background. So let's save this and let's move on. Next section is the text section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to generate another text, here if you want to edit the size or the type of the writing, you can also edit the style of the section, the alignments, for example like this, the spacing or the vertical alignment or the background. So let's save it. Next section is the list section of the website. Edit. Now the heading, and here if you want to edit the display settings, choose which will be displayed for each list item. Here the list items, and here if you want to add list item, you can generate image. You can edit the image position. Also here if you want to generate a title, you can generate the content. And also here if you want to add a label or add a link. So let's save this. The style of the section, if you want to edit the alignment or the image or the spacing or the background. So let's save and let's move on. The next section is the testimonial section of the website. Edit here. If you want to add a testimonial, you can generate a code. You can generate by who, and also here if you want to upload a file. So let's save this. If you want to edit the style of this section, the alignments or the spacing or the vertical alignments or the background. So let's save this. Next section is the gallery section of the website. Edit. You can change this here. If you want to generate image, another image, you can also upload image from browser. Just put it here and it will be uploaded. For example, let's choose some image from here. For example, this. Next section is the location section of the website. You can edit from here. You can change this. Also here, if you want to change the business address, you can add text file. You can add the title or the content. So that's it. Here, if you want to edit the style of the section, the type or the theme or the rounded corners or the marker color or the background. So that's it. Next section is the contact form section. You can generate another contact form. Also here, if you want to manage files, you can turn this on and custom input labels. Here you can generate a form success message. So that's it. Also the style, like all the previous section, all of them has the same thing here, form alignment in the spacing and the background. So here you can edit this. So let's save it. The next section is the last section on the website, the footer. Click edit here if you want to change the business name or the logo, or if you want to add any relevant details. You can add your business address or any other relevant details. You can edit your social links. You can add the channel, and here if you want to add the link. So now let's save this. Now if you want to regenerate the content or the style of the entire section, just select any options here and it will be changed. Also, if you want to duplicate the section from here, if you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to delete it from here. So that's it. Now all you have to do after you edit and design your website is click publish, and you're gonna publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.